Good morning, all of you. Today, in maths, we will take a new concept. What comes between? What comes between? Okay, come. I will show you a picture. Look at this picture. There are so many beautiful flowers. Today, we are going to learn numbers between with the help of these beautiful flowers. Can you see the beautiful yellow orange roses? 5, 6 and 7. Every orange roses has number. You can see number. Now, I will tell you. Can you tell me which number is in between 5 and 7? In between 5 and 7. Yes, 5 and 7. In between 5 and 7 is number 6. जब भी हम दो नंबर्स के बीच वाले नंबर को बोलते हैं तो उसको बोलते हैं इन बिटवीन. तो नंबर 6. ओके, नाउ again these beautiful flowers. This is pink roses. Okay, these are pink roses. Can you tell me again which number comes in between 2 and 4? This is number 2 and this is number 4. Yes, tell me which number in between these two numbers? Number 3. Yes, this is number 3. Okay, I will show you one more example. See, these are orange roses, and can you see the numbers on orange roses? Yes, okay. This is 0, 1 and 2. Again, this is my question. Which number comes in between 0 and 2? This is number 1. This is number 1. Okay. Now we will do this work in math notebook. Okay, all of you open your math notebook. Okay, first we will write the date. Today is 17th of July 2020. And we will write classwork here. And on first boxes we will write what comes between. Have you written? Okay. We will write the word here and then we will make one box. And then we will write again the number. First we will write 2. We will draw one box on the box. And then we will write here 3. We will leave one box. Now we will write 4. We will draw one box. 6. Again we will leave one box. We will write here 7. We will draw one box. We will write here 9. Again the next number is, we will write here, we will write number 10. Draw one box and we will write 12 here. Next number is 13, box 15. The next number is 17, box 19. Now we will write in between the numbers of these two numbers. Now you tell me 2 and 4. These are the two numbers and we have to write in between number of these two numbers. Yes. Speak out with me. 2. Yes, very good. 2, 3 and 4. 3 is in between these two numbers. We will look at the forward counting. We will do with the help of forward counting. Yes. Okay. 4 and 6. Speak out with me. 4. Yes. 5 and 6. Now the next is 7 and 9. Can you tell me which number comes in between these two numbers? Yes, you are right. Number 8. Now we will read this. 7, 8, 9. Okay, the next number is 10 and 12. Okay, speak with me. 10, 11, 12. 11 comes in between 10 and 12. Next is 13 and 15. Now we will read it. 13, 14, 15. The last number is 17, 2 and 19. Sorry. Now read with me. 17, 18 and 19. 18 comes in between 17 and 19. Do this work in your math notebook and do more practice with different words. Don't take these words again. Change your numbers. Okay, have a nice day.